Welcome, my name is Davey and we are GoSun. GoSun is the world's breakthrough technology in solar cooking, and the purpose of the video today is to help dealers, retailers, representatives know how on earth would you go about demonstrating GoSun solar products so that you can best communicate to sign up new dealers and new stores, and also when those stores and dealers have the product on their shelves, how would they engage with the public? So start with preparing yourself by being enthusiastic, well familiar with the product, and well familiar with the purpose, which is to drive traffic back into the store that you may be outside demonstrating this product to the public with. Now, a quick reintroduction to our product. This is the larger grill. It feeds a family of 6 to 8. It's beautiful stainless steel, the wow design factor. This is how we simply open and close it. These are the solar reflectors. This is a sundial alignment to help you know where to point the reflectors. And this is where the food goes, of course, into these trays. We have different levels, lots of capacity. Simply slide the tray in once the food has been loaded into these trays. This is our sport model, much more portable, real tough. The handles become the legs, so simply fold out the legs. There are these little clips, little hooks underneath, and then you can safely stand the sport product on a table and open up the reflectors. To orient towards the sun, simply tilt, holding the hinge underneath here and the tube on the top. It's safe to handle. And the food simply loads into the tube here, and then you're done. Of course, you'll need some other equipment as well. Here we have the GoSun tent. Appreciate you won't have one, but a simple 10 by 10 white pop-up tent would be great. That creates a sense of occasion so the crowds can see something's going on. There's a demonstration there. Also gives you a little bit of storage area, but of course push the table into the sun. Here's your table. Any size will do. We have quite a large table here. We've worked with small tables in different locations. Any tablecloth will do. In addition to Windex, which we just use for simple cleaning of the reflectors and the tubes during the demonstration. Also some paper towel. Very important to show that you're hygienic. Some gloves, food safe gloves. Maybe some foil might be useful. Keeping it simple with fragrant cinnamon rolls gives that wonderful aroma, the simplicity. There's no meat to deal with. Cleanup's really easy. You probably also want to have a show flyer special, a demonstration flyer special. So on the day of the event, encourage people, go into the store, take this flyer with maybe a 30% discount, take it inside, speak to the staff, and buy yourself a GoSun now that you've seen it. Also, other literature that is available electronically or in print, a catalog, some postcards, and of course if you have your own business card or promo card, again, very important. Couple of plates, doesn't do any harm. You might need some sunscreen because we are cooking outside. And as part of our product, we do also have these wonderful little silicone baking cups that you can also use to put meatballs and crab cakes in and to separate food. We've done that here in this example. Simple sanitizer. For the grill, if you don't want to cook with the grill and just want to demonstrate with a simple sport, go to the store and just get some fake food. And that shows people that it is a food-related product. So that's some of the equipment list. You can carry very light with this demonstration, and we recommend keeping it simple.